Hello everyone and welcome to Trout Fodder. Hopefully everybody's doing well. I'm just out here on another overnight winter camping trip. The plan for tomorrow is to hike up to Shunda Mountain just north of Nordegg, and I'll be checking out the Baldy fire lookout and the views from the top there. Right now though, I'm just getting ready to do a campfire cookout, so if you guys want to come along, just stick around. I'm going to get the fire going here right away. That one looks a little overdone there. As you can see, I'm down a potato. I seem to have dropped one through the grill, but we're just going to go with it. Looks good. Can't wait to dig in. So it looks like that's it for today. I'm just turning in for the night. We'll see you guys in the morning. Yeah, so I'm just driving on the Baldy Fire Lookout Road right now. They don't plow this road in the wintertime, but there hasn't been a whole ton of snow so far, so still certainly drivable. I should be able to get all the way up to the trailhead, or at least within a kilometer or so. We'll see if the road conditions hold up all the way. Yeah, aside from the wind, it's not too bad of a day today. It's just above zero. Just kind of trudging my way to the top here. Snow's not too bad. It's a little wet and heavy, but overall not too bad. It looks like somebody on a quad or something came up here over the weekend, so there's a few tracks leading up. Yeah, it's been a bit of a climb in places, but we're slowly getting up there. Just kind of trudging away on this long uphill stretch. Views haven't opened up yet, but I think once they get up and over this ridge here, it should look pretty spectacular. Yeah, it looks like the ATV guys gave up here at the steep section. Probably spinning out too much, but good for me. It'll make for easier walking without the ATV tracks on the trail. Yeah, views are starting to open up here. That's the backside of Shunda Mountain here from the trail. I'll be winding around to the other side of Shunda Mountain here right away, so we'll see it again when we get to the top. Yeah, I'm not sure if the sound came through or not very well back there. It was super gusty, could hardly stand up, almost getting blown over at times. That whole slope was really exposed, and there's no shelter once you get to the top of the mountain either, so probably best that I called it and started to head back down. I'm just in the trees here right now. I'm going to have some soup and finish the hike out here. So it looks like that's it for this adventure. A little disappointing that I didn't get all the way to the top of the mountain today, but I think the conditions weren't quite right for it, and sometimes you just have to know when to turn around and call it quits. So don't have any regrets turning around when I did. Still had a pretty enjoyable day up on the mountain with the snowshoeing, so it was all pretty fun. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video as well. Remember to never stop exploring, and we'll see you in the next episode.